All right, so on this one, I've done $142 in one day. And on this one, I've done $125 in one day. And on this new one that I've been playing around with, I've done $14 in one day, $12 in one day. It might not seem a lot, but we'll actually talk about why this is so low in a second, because I will be making quite a bit of money with this soon. It's a new thing I'm playing around with. But what I want to do is show you exactly how I make over $200 a day, usually every single day online, and you can see some of my income sources and some of the ways that I actually make money online. And it's actually not as hard as you may think, and I'll explain to you exactly how I do it. But before we do that, we actually need to do a few things before we jump into this video. Number one, you're going to want to subscribe, because I bring out videos every single week showing you exactly how to make money online. And number two, we're doing the giveaway in this video. If you don't know what this is, what you've got to do is smash that like button, and then down below in the comment section, write "my goal is," and then you might potentially be a winner in the next video and get access to every single one of my courses. The winner from the last video is in the comment section below in the pinned comment. So what I want to do in this video is show you how I make this money every single day, and then you can decide if this is something you want to actually go and do online to make money online. Now, the first thing I actually want to talk about is this little thing here that I've been playing around with, and you can see I've earned $12 on this day, $14, 13, 13 and 14 here. Now you might be wondering, why is this so low? That's not a lot of money. We're actually going to be trying to get this up to around about $100 per day. And what these are is these are ads that we have on our affiliate marketing websites or some of our websites. And what this means is these are ads like this ad right here. When people click on these ads, I make money in the form of, it's like Google Ads, but we actually use a ad network where we make more money. And the reason why it's so low is because we've only put ads on a few pages, and what they do is they ramp it up over the next month or so, and we should get to around about, I suspect, $50 to $80, and then I'm gonna ramp it up even more as time goes on. And here's some ads right here. So here's some ads on the side, and here's some ads right here in the middle of this article. And this is the ad network that I'm actually using. So you can go to earnings calculator and you could put in your website and what type of traffic you're getting, and you could potentially make money from ads. Now, if you don't have like a website set up or a website ready, that's fine. I have lots of videos on my channel showing you exactly how you can go out and start your own website online that brings you traffic every single day so you can make money online. Now, another way that I make money, guys, as you can see, this is called an affiliate marketing program, and you can actually go and make money online with this. Now, on this particular day, did $142, and in this one here, this is promoting another product, $125 in one day. Now, how do you go and make money online promoting these specific products? Now, this is called affiliate marketing. If you want some full tutorials on that, I have some playlists showing you lots of different ways that you can do affiliate marketing. But essentially what you do is you promote other people's products for a commission, so you don't have to go and create your own products or anything like that. It's a really good way to go and make money online. Now, this is a website as well that I actually created some time ago. Now, this is more of a test website. We do make quite a bit of money with this, but it's more of a test website to show our students what we do. But if you scroll down here, we have some links here on the side. So if I click on this link banner here, it'll take me to this website, right? And you can see up here that my username is in the URL here. So if anyone purchases this product, I will get a commission every single month from people purchasing this product. It's a pretty cool way to go and make money online, because you don't need to do any support or anything like that. Now, what we actually do is we go and do articles based on specific topics. So we haven't updated this one in some time yet, but if we go to here, what are solo ads? If people are actually searching online for what are solo ads, our article could potentially show up in the Google search, and then people could click on that and come here, and they could click our affiliate links here on the right, okay? Or we sometimes have affiliate links in the actual content in here. I'll try and find one to show you. All right, so here we actually have a link right here. I think I clicked something right there. Yeah, so this banner, it's gonna take me to ClickFunnels, and if someone signs up, I get money every single month. And what you want to do is I've actually gone and left some tutorials here on how you can go and rank these websites, so search engine optimization, and how you can actually go and make money ranking these websites online and getting Google traffic. But if you're a complete beginner to this, basically trying to make money online, the best way to actually do this is to go and do YouTube videos and tutorials and put your affiliate links in the description here. So for example, this is Shopify, and this is one of the commissions that I got. I usually make around about $10,000 to $15,000 per month with this particular affiliate program right now. And some of it comes from this video. So I did a video, Shopify tutorial for beginners, how to create a profitable Shopify store online. This is really, really old now. I do need to update it, but I still get money from this video, even though I posted it over, I think 2 years ago now. Yeah, exactly 2 years ago, pretty much. And if I click on this link here, it'll take people to Shopify and I would get a commission. Now, YouTube is one of the best ways to do this because it's like free traffic, right? It doesn't cost you anything to start a YouTube channel. I could do something like, let's do something like best email platform, right? Or best email platform, best email marketing platforms, best email comparison, best email marketing services. All of these people will list these specific products and they will get a commission if someone purchases, signs up under them, right? And purchases, and they will get a commission. Now, if you want to figure out how to sign up to these specific platforms, you just go to the website and you scroll down to the bottom and it'll say affiliate programs or referral program or sign up as an affiliate. That's how you can go and sign up to these programs. So if I go affiliate programs, it takes me to the affiliate page. This is called Get Response, and it tells me how to get paid. I can get 33% here every single month, or I can get a $100 one-off payment for referring one person to their platform. So this is a real good way to go and make some money online. Now, I've actually done a video on this. So if I go to Get Response tutorial, I do a tutorial on this particular program down here, 40,000 views. And if you click on this, right, we have an affiliate link right here. So when people click on that, I will get a commission. Now, this is really one of the best ways because you don't, like the traffic on YouTube is crazy. It's free traffic. You don't pay for anything. You don't have to go rank your website online or anything like that. So that's the affiliate marketing side of things. But what I would actually recommend you do if you're a complete beginner is actually go and create a website on a specific topic and don't focus just on affiliate marketing, because when you're running ads like this and you can make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, really depends on how much traffic you're getting per day, you can put ads on and it doesn't really matter what the topic is. You're a little bit limited when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? Because for example, if I wanted to promote this email marketing software, which is Get Response, well, I can only really do content about email marketing or how to start an email list, which is email marketing. So you are pretty limited when it comes to affiliate marketing. When you want to come and promote and get traffic to that, you have to do stuff specifically on email marketing, and that's how you're going to get the highest conversions. So that's kind of why I've been jumping into back into Google Ads. Now, I do have quite a lot of websites running Google Ads, but I'm testing this network out. This is a brand new network that I've been testing out and playing around with. I got recommended it by a friend, and so this is another way that I'm making money right now. And $12 might not seem a lot to a lot of you guys, but this is going to ramp up over time. And not only that, this $12 is complete passive income. Once I put these ads on these websites, or on this one website, I've only got the ads on about 3 pages right now. It's completely passive. I don't touch it. These ads stay up for as long as I want them up there. So this ad right here, if I click on it, I'm not going to, I would make money from that click. So that's how you can go and make some money online, guys. And that's how I've made over $200 in the last day or so online. I usually make over $200 every single day. If you want some more tutorials on how to do this, I will leave some links below. And I'll also leave some videos up on the screen that will show you exactly how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell. Any comments, leave them below and I'll reply to every single comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.